Kenneth English.
Yo, John Dix. Yo. They say magic's in the music, yes, that make me a wizard. I done made it past the finish line, that make me a winner. Trapping hard after hours, that's what I had for dinner. And I stay up out of church cause I'm a sinner. This is for my niggas, but my niggas all disappear. Get my vision clear, this bitch over here, she's a souvenir. And my girl is always with me by the bedpost. She let the leg go, even if the bitch is dead, bro. I mean, what's up? You out of line, I must punctuate. You very fortunate that you didn't meet your torture date. I illustrate so well cause I'm an artist. No, I'm not the smartest, but my levels are uncharted. This is Don Dix representing Team Retarded.
And I'm up next, so let me go and get this started. This TRE's the army, son, you're speaking to the sergeant. Now run and tell that while you edit, ring the alarm. We bout to shut it down, and that's a promise. When I step in the building, better hide your baby mamas. And she should hide that purse cause I'm coming straight for them commas. Nah, money don't make you real, but this money can solve some problems. Gotta hustle smart, play your part cause it's all a game. Can't restart, gotta have some heart if you gon' remain. I done seen niggas fall by the hundreds for some change. Others they done changed up, said they sold just for a chain. Nigga, I got real diamonds, real gold, real everything. Trying hollows through the brain. Singa B and that's the name.
Please don't be convinced by what people say. I'm not brilliant, I'm not a genius, I'm not
all the things that you've been blind
to. I have gifts, but
I'm kinda hoping it reminds
these are things that all
remind that you're a
motherfucking
diamond. I'm trying to open up your mind to all the things that you've been blind to.
Get that into your system.
I'm kinda hoping it reminds you that you're a motherfucking diamond. Choking, smoking, hoping, loafing, walla, nigga, loking, floating, soaking, doping. Call my P.O. cause I ain't coping, You advancing with no flaws. You advance, nigga, I'm a boss. All these games, gotta get them off. Niggas playing and get your lost. Guinness, I'm a menace with a triple beam. Flying in from Venice with a dentist. It's a triple clean. Hoping that my demon clean. Snip it, slip it, sip it, lean. Don't sell my tennis gun, nigga, I'm Sir the Ball. Don Dix got the triple beam, I'm above the law. Nigga, yeah, fuck, just high. Nigga, don't pay attention to me, nigga, I'm just high. Don't bring attention to me, nigga, I'm just fly. If you worldwide, he the FBI. It's a suicide if your mind is sublime. It's a crime if your mind is in a fucking twine. I'm tryna open up your mind to all the things that you've been blind to.
You're blind.
I'm kinda hoping it reminds that you's a motherfucking diamond. That you's a motherfucking diamond. Open up your mind
to open. If I open the third eye, it's about to be murder. If I open up the blinds, it's about to be curtains. If I open up the bar, it's gon' turn to a nursery. When I open up my mind, why they feelings start hurting? Don't you know they see you shine even when you're down hurting? You're real cold in the mind, now that's a treasure worth hunting. Shit, all these others is stunting, thinking they doing something. But when you walk in the room, now it's all of a sudden. They see you shining, you a diamond, they a diamond a dozen. They know it's time too hot to stop, we coming fresh out the oven. This just defines it, that's the finest. They replicate cause they can't find it. Soap in your iris, they claim to say that they the flyest. When we the pilots, they can be take just like some pirates. Cause we some diamonds, yeah, you a diamond.
Tryna open up your mind to all the things that you've been blind to. I'm kinda hoping it reminds you open up your mind that you's a motherfucking diamond. Envision this. Hey, if you wanna make it out this life, wanna make it out alive, you gotta use your head. If you wanna make it out alive, wanna make it out this life,
gotta use your heat, just to get a hit. You hear what I say, girl, close your lids. Girl, you be the fit. I don't need your bitch, just lay this down. You hear the sound, you do. Ain't no turning down, now you smell that loud.
Yeah, they funky at times. Let me bring it back, cause I want you and I need you here, right here. And I need you present just to hear. I'ma make it crystal clear. All the things that you seeing on the screen, behind the scenes, trying to intervene and suck your soul. It's kerosene, it's time to burn the bitch down. Going on this route, now you seen the signs of the wicked times. Man, it's in these towns, and these folks around dropping like flies. Government, they lie, so don't be surprised or entertained. None of what they saying, better use your brain.
You gotta use your head if you wanna make it out this life. Wanna make it out alive. You gotta use your head if you wanna make it out alive. Wanna make it out this life. You gotta use your head if you wanna make it out this life.